The Predator series are always geared towards the enthusiast gaming market thanks to the extra attention given to the elements such as high-performance components and RGB customization that makes a more well-packaged gaming experience. Particularly with today's gaming laptop we have here, this is the Predator Helios 300, a high-performing gaming laptop for those who want both performance and gaming aesthetics. Let's find out what it has to offer. This is a 2022 edition of the Predator Helios 300 that comes with the 12th Gen Intel Core mobile processor. This generation utilizes a hybrid architecture to tackle both high-demanding tasks and low-power underlying processors in the most efficient way. This specific model is running the Intel Core i7-12700H with 6 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, for a total of 20 processor threads. In some independent media reviews, they have reported about 20% CPU performance increment compared to the 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11800H. In other words, this CPU is not just excellent for games, but you can also use it for productivity workloads such as photo and video editing. Depending on your budget and usage, you can also either get the Intel Core i5-12500H or Intel Core i9-12900H. Same goes to the system RAM, where you will be getting at least 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM and upgradable to 32GB. Now, speaking of gaming, the Predator Helios 300 comes with a variety of GPU choices, from NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 up to RTX 3080. Our unit here comes with the RTX 3070 Ti. This GPU and CPU combination rips through all the games even if we configure the graphical settings to the maximum. The inclusion of ray tracing support also elevates your immersion in games that supports it. Besides, DLSS further enhances the gameplay smoothness by harnessing the power of AI. Now, all those powerful chips and components will generate a lot of heat. The cooling design is also where the Predator Helios 300 shines, because the Predator actually uses liquid metal instead of the usual thermal paste to improve the cooling efficiency. Pairing it with the 5th generation Aeroblade 3D fan, we are getting an unprecedented cooling performance. It has 89 thin fan blades measuring at just 0.08mm per piece and features a banded wingtip design that boosts air intake. The refined wind guiding structure reduces turbulence while increasing the airflow efficiency. Of course, the fan algorithm also plays an important role at managing the cooling and acoustics. Inside the Predator Sense application, you will find the Cool Boost fan control function. There are different presets that will automate the fan curve according to the machine load. You can get the best of both worlds. Cool and quiet when you are just doing some light tasks on it. Then the fan will ramp up to balance the cooling, the performance and fan noise during heavy gaming. For the screen, it looks amazing. It is sharp and crisp in person because it is a 15.6-inch IPS panel at 1440p resolution. The display supports up to 165Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time. It is the perfect gaming laptop display that balances both gaming performance without breaking the bank. Apart from that, the highly accurate color reproduction also makes this an excellent laptop for content creators, especially game streamers and YouTubers. The 100% DCI-P3 color coverage allows creators to do photo and video editing without worrying about the color discrepancies. If the onboard display is not enough, you can always extend your display through the following connectors: Thunderbolt 4, mini DisplayPort, or HDMI. Okay, so last but not least, let's talk about why one would pay for a Predator class gaming machine. The presence of gamer elements. For one, the entire keyboard is LED backlit with per key RGB, which means you can either go for the usual rainbow patterns or set every individual key color to your own liking. And that's the top 5 features I want to share with you. The Predator Helios 300 is an excellent gaming laptop that is suitable for games, entertainment, and work. It comes in a variety of configurations depending on your requirements and budget. If you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below. and I will see you guys in the next video.